Assalamu alaikum and welcome back. In this video we'll look quickly how you can create pages for your blog. It's pretty easy, less complicated than post, so let's jump right in. So on your dashboard you can click on pages. These are the default pages that comes with WordPress. Let me select all and move to trash and click on apply. So let's add our first page. Maybe you want to write an about us, about yourself or something, about page. Let me quickly grab some dummy text. Paragraph. Let me see. So it's basically the same blocks, same features that you see. You can put in a spacer, 10 pixel. So let's add an, let me see. Let's add an image. Okay. And what again? Let me remove it first. Let me make a 2-column layout. Okay, let me try this image. Yeah. This is a 2-column, but on one side is bigger than the other. So what can we put here? Let me look at something that I've not used. Common blocks. I've used code, but let's put it. So card shape. I just leave it there and let's see. So with blog posts, you can allow comments and disallow comments. I won't advise for you to click here. So just leave it on the default. When you click here, that means people can comment on your page. Pages, normally you don't allow people to comment on your page. It's only your blog post. So here, you just leave everything in the default. Let's put a featured image. Do we really need one? Let me leave it like this and let me see how our page is gonna look. So you will not see your pages here at the moment. So let me show you. We've not had a menu yet. So let's go to appearance. Under appearance, you go to menus. So let's create our first menu. Will be primary. So that will be the ones that's going to show up here on the header. So you can choose, at the moment we have only one page. You can also choose pages and blogs. So you can choose any of these or even a category. So these are the categories. So you can choose all and even add. I think that's a good idea. So we have all and we have, so you can drag and drop which one should come first. So we can change this to write blog. So now we have 2. So automatically we can set this as our primary menu. So let's refresh our page. So there we have it. About, blog. I mean, it's looking kind of cool. I think I don't like this, but I mean, you get a drift. This is how you create our first page. So this is our first about us page. Let's click on blog and give us all our blog posts. You can quickly search for which category. So let's go to our home page. So that is basically how you create a page. Let me add one more. So contact. columns. Call. What should I add here? I mean, email. Let's go for paragraph. Let me see. I don't want to waste much time here. Info@blog.com. Maybe address 56 KKK Sushi Road. I don't know. It will not show. I think. Let me see. I think I automatically. Okay, so let me go to minus. Let me show you one more trick. So let's drag and drag. So we can make it a sub menu. Let me show you how it looks like, and let me show you how the sub menu works. So when you refresh our page, this is how it will show, sub menu. Based on your theme, it should normally come underneath it, but it's not looking pretty good with this thing. So when we click here, automatically add new top pages to this menu. So automatically when we create any new page, it automatically show up here. Let me create one more. Add new. Side note. Let me just put in a paragraph just to illustrate what I mean. Okay. Let's refresh the page. So you see, it automatically shows up here. It's just a dummy. So our page is looking pretty good. Now we are done with the pages. Let's look at what we can do with our footer section over here. So I'll do that in the next video. I hope you like this video. You can please subscribe to my YouTube page for more updates and more videos. Click like the subscribe button and please click on the bell notification to get alert on any new video that I create. Assalamu alaikum, and I appreciate.